Whoever believes in me, as scriptures has said, rivers of living water will flow from within them. John chapter 7 verses 38. Hello family, most welcome back again to the Lovista channel. Thank you so much for coming back. We are still on our juicing series, and today we have this traditional spiced millet drink, which is popularly known in Ghana as Lamugee or Zonkom. Please be sure to stay tuned. This is very refreshing, healthy, and very easy to make. Let's get started. So if we're making a millet drink, we definitely need our raw millet, and we are using our pearl millet today. It is very popular in the streets of Ghana, and we have here our grains of selim, popularly known as hwentia, and we also have some cloves, popularly known as pepre, and we have our mokojane, which is the dried pepper, and some ginger as well. Alright, so there you have it. Everything will be also listed below in the description box. So we are going to give this millet a very nice and clean wash, and this is exactly how I make sure that this millet is very clean. I go by hand picking each and every foreign items that finds its way here, and as seen on your screen, that's exactly how I make sure everything is very nicely washed and clean. After washing this millet for over 6 times, it's now clean, and I'm going to add water enough to cover the surface, and I'm going to leave it overnight, including all the spices that I made mention earlier on. And for the ginger, I like to also cut it in smaller pieces, and I'm going to add the grains of selim and the cloves to it and leave it overnight as well, just so that I get lots and that deep concentration from this. It's absolutely amazing. As well. Now you can clearly spot the difference. This has been concentrated very well, and our millet has also been very well fermented, as you can see here. So it's the perfect time for us to give everything a blend. All right. Did you also know that this drink is super amazing and super food? You get lots of health benefit from this drink alone. The millet alone can help manage anyone with inflammatory diseases, especially in the guts. It is also powerful to anyone who wants to manage their blood sugar levels, and also helps prevent diabetes. And all the spices that we use are going to also help us boost our immune system. We need that. Okay, this is such a powerful drink, and I really need you to try this. So in the process of blending, make sure that you add enough water to cover everything way up there, and make sure you are able to extract many juice as possible. So while the blending is going on, I like to prepare my syrup, which is going to serve as our sweetener. It's just by adding a bit of warm water and sugar. You can also choose to directly add your sugar to the drink, but it might end up settling at the bottom, which is not very pretty. So that is why I do mine like that. So once I'm done with the syrup, I'll go ahead and strain my drink. It is very important to strain your drink very well because you do not want any particles in there, and also make sure that you strain few times more if you feel like it wasn't well strained. Okay, and please make sure you get enough juices from this as possible. And here I also love to add my syrup that I just made in the millet just to extract more juices out. Here, if you added the sugar directly, you might just want to add a little bit more water to dilute it a little bit, okay, and also get more juices out. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying the recipe. It really helps, okay? Don't forget that, all right? And I really appreciate you for watching right till this far. So as simple as that, our juice is ready. It is absolutely refreshing, and this also reminds me so much of Hausa cocoa, so you can definitely save some if you want to have your Hausa cocoa the next 2 days. It's absolutely amazing. I do have a recipe of that, and I'm going to link it below in the description box and here as well. This is very easy to make, right? Just go ahead and try it, and I believe you're going to love it so much. This brings us to the end of this recipe. I really hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, please be sure to give me a like, comment below, and share to few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please be sure to come on board and subscribe to join the amazing family for new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.